DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector.
This by me my last reaction for the night. Shout out to everybody that do this. I'm gonna do this last one for Christian, as I actually really have to run. You see me? So let's do this one real quick. You feel me? This is Young Star 6 box in a face. You see me? I say, yeah, man. Shout out to y'all. Y'all been sending lit requests all night, man. You know what I'm saying? So let's jump right in this one. This is Young Star 6 box in a face. Though, Young Star 6, man. I should be doing more Young Star 6 reactions. He's a really dope artist. I should be doing more. So look out for that, gang. You see me? But yeah, man. Box in a face. Let's see what I got deal with Panda 1 here. Let's jump right in the track. Young Star 6 box in a face. Let's get it. Oh shit. But just I see the coffin. This one gonna be deadly too. Come on. Alright, come on, gang.
86 fully active. Yeah, get the pussy, them a close casket. Badness is 6, them never practice. Aye.
So badness is 6, they never practice, cause they do it. They never practice it. Alright.
Box in a face, me never grow so. Boy get that 26 killer roll up. Shoulda never talk tough. Act badness, yeah, your pussy all bogus. Badness, yeah, the 6, we not new to this. Back bring the Draco with the cool kit. 6 never shit.
Bumbo Cly, man, said badness, we not new to this. When you say bad breed Draco, I didn't hold on there, come on, I didn't hear that.
Yeah, the 6, we not new to this. Back bring the Draco with the cool kit. 6 never shaky, man, move legit. We not like that.
Never move shaky, legit.
Aye. One down in the place, dog, and you know that's a your J.
One down in that place, alright, come here.
6 outside with a 9, yeah, plus you link with the 80 change. When you feel like preschool, dog, we don't care about the B's and the C's.
You think a blood class school this time, we don't care about the B's and the C's, huh? Come on.
When you feel like preschool, dog, we don't care about the B's and the C's. Yeah, man, pointed squares. New Russian can be kept from a Chinese.
Ooh, that was dope. That was dope. Here, pint squeeze. New Russian can we get from the Chinese? How the blood see? I get Russian K from Chinese, China, dog.
Squares. New Russian can be kept from a Chinese. Swing on the men's we not discuss. 6 out and then now we not flink off. 8, 9, yeah, the real killers link up. Pussy by your gate when you know him get him head bust. Every 6 in pal, now you know the link strong. When you know about mobs, damn.
Oh boy, come in, man. This one's a vibe. I like how he taking it slow, but it's still a bounce. Come on.
Look, bum. Some really for 6 like Blocky and son. Kill the pussy broad and I wait to the sun down. Box in a face, me never grow so. Boy get that 26 killer roll up. Shoulda never talk tough. Act badness, yeah, your pussy all bogus.
But act badness, your pussy all bogus, bro. Come in, go on.
Shoulda never talk tough. Act badness, yeah, your pussy all bogus. Badness, yeah, the 6, we not new to this. Back bring the Draco with the cool kit. 6 never shaky, man, move legit. We not like talk one time, make it rubber spit.
We not talk one time, make the Luga spit, dog. Oh, I'm cute.
It's never shaky, man, move legit. We not like talk one time, make it rubber spit. Talk one time, make it rubber spit. One time, make it rubber. We not like talk one time, make it rubber spit. Set up in the 6 steps, stuck and I'm moving it. Aye.
Hey, the boy, I see what Youngstar full of style, you know. I see what he doing, bro. You see all them breakdowns and switching the flow. Yeah, man, the man up and coming, bro. Don't leave, Youngstar. Yeah.
But down in the place, dog, and you know that's a your J. 6 outside with a 9, yeah, plus you link with the ABJ. When you feel like preschool, dog, we don't care about the B's and the C's. Yeah, man, pointed squares. New Russian can be kept
from the Chinese. Yo, this nigga, he's snapping.
From the Chinese.
Man, Young Star 6, say Productions. Big up yourself, man. J. Yeah, man, Young Star 6. Lord, only a box in a face. Alright, dope trap, man. Man, I switch up his style. Hey, Young Star 6 got style. I see what he doing with the breakdowns and the little part where he let the track breathe. Yeah, man, he got like a rapper type fluid that come with it. Yeah. Bro. gotta go. Why y'all doing this? Buying target. Alright, skip a hell, boy. The last one, bro. This was supposed to be the last one. Y'all kill it.